In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a story on Instagram from your PC. Let's get started by opening your preferred web browser on your computer. This can be Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or any modern browser you're comfortable with. In the address bar at the top, type in instagram.com and press enter. Once the page loads, log into your Instagram account using your usual username and password. Give it a moment to sign you in, and you'll land on your Instagram home feed, just like you would on your phone. Now, on the desktop version of Instagram, the layout looks slightly different, but you can still upload a story directly from here. Look toward the left side or the top of the feed for the Stories bar. You should see your profile picture with a little plus icon or a label like Your Story. Click on that. If you don't see it immediately, try refreshing the page or widening your browser window so the full interface appears. After you click on your story, Instagram will open a file selection window from your computer. Here, you can choose the photo or video that you want to upload as your story. Navigate to the folder where your media is saved. Click on the file you want, and then click Open. Instagram will upload the file and show you a preview. On this preview screen, you can make a few basic adjustments. Depending on your browser and Instagram's current features, you might be able to crop the image slightly, change its orientation, or add simple text. Type in any caption or note you want to appear on the story. Keep in mind that the desktop version usually has fewer editing tools than the mobile app, so if you need advanced stickers or effects, it's best to prepare your image or video beforehand using an editing tool on your computer. Once you're happy with how everything looks, look for the Share or Add to your Story button, usually at the bottom or in the corner of the screen. Click that, and Instagram will start uploading your story. Wait a few seconds for it to finish processing. To confirm that it worked, go back to your home feed and click on your profile picture in the Stories bar. Your new story should play back exactly as it will appear to your followers on both desktop and mobile. And that's it. You've successfully uploaded an Instagram story directly from your PC.